In this video, I'll be showing you how to make accessible tables in Microsoft Word. To begin, first make sure that there are no split or merged cells in the table because screen readers would not be able to read the cells properly. If you have a complex table with split or merged cells, divide the table into multiple tables. Next, add a designated header for easy navigation for screen readers. To add a header row, select the header, right-click, and select Table Properties. Select the Row tab and check Repeat as Header Row at the top of each page. Also make sure to uncheck Allow Row to break across pages. This will prevent a row from splitting onto the next page if the table spans more than one page. After, click on the Alt Text tab to add alternate text to the table. Add a title if needed, and then a description. Tabbing through the table to make sure that the cells are going from left to right, top to bottom, ensures that it will be read in the correct order by screen readers.